Perseverance Award. You know, somebody that exudes perseverance and resilience.
Okay.
And the award goes to Samson.
Games pa sila doon, hindi pa sila tapos.
My hot pot body.
May award dyan si Charity.
Here you go, sir.
Award.
All right, Perseverance Award for Temecula goes to Mr. Enzo, National Champion Navarro. What? Is there anything you want to, what? There you go. Indomitable Spirit Award, fighting spirit, right? Someone that does not give up and show that if she can do it, we all can do it. Everyone can. Miss Charity Lawson. Here you go, ma'am. You know, Miss Charity just underwent an ACL reconstruction, and straight, you know, after rehab, she went to competing right away. Okay, Crown Striker Award. What's this? A headhunter? Somebody who's really good in headhunting, right? All right. In recognition of remarkable ability to deliver headshots with unmatched accuracy and control, Isa. Oh, here, it's here. Inspirational Martial Artist Award in recognition of your exemplary leadership and consistently displaying respect, discipline, and sportsmanship, both in and out of the ring. Now, this is this person is a definition of what a true martial artist is, right? Very level-headed, but when it's time for him to perform, he performs. Ryan. And the female version of Ryan, same thing, right? When she's here, you know, I always hear Miss Holly say, hey, be like her, you know, train like her with that intensity. That's the old school in her, right? That's the 10 years of training in Redondo Beach back in the day that she was able to bring in, you know, and share here in Temecula now. Shelly. Okay, so this one, Commitment to Excellence Award in recognition of outstanding perseverance, unwavering dedication, and commitment to continuous improvement. For me, this is one of my hardest working athlete. You know, I have no doubt that this person will go places. You know, if she can just match the hard work that she's always put in here with the commitment that I need from her, you know, she's just scratching what the tip of what she's capable of. Mia Sebastian. This one is Best in Ninja Moves Award. I don't know what this means. Ninja Moves. I don't know. In recognition of your agility, precision, and impressiveness, taekwondo skills, the mayor or the mayor of Quest Temecula, Liam Boy. But you have to dance first. Show them your dance. Oh, here. All right! Woo! Good job, sir. I'm telling you guys. All right, Most Improved Athlete of the Year. In recognition of your outstanding progress, dedication, and continuous growth throughout the year. You know, she has improved so much in leaps and bounds. Again, it's one of those athletes that I see that, you know, sky is the limit, literally. Kylie Jenner. the Zohan. Rising Star of the Year, in recognition of your exceptional promise, very promising, very talented, positive attitude and drama, and the ability to shine under every challenge. And the Best Actress Award goes to Celine Dion. Oh, this is another one. Rising Champion of the Year. This is another one that, I've always knew that if this person, just give me time to work with this person, and I'll show you what he's capable of. And true enough, they gave me that. So I appreciate, the time that they put into, in order for me to be able to train this fine athlete. So in recognition of your remarkable growth, talent, and strong commitment to excellence, our other national champion, Jose, outstanding 77Q. Is he still done or not anymore? Is he still done in one of his games? Done? Still? Oh, not anymore. Oh, in VR. Okay, not anymore. Yay! I guess next year we should compete in virtual taekwondo too. All right, Team Captain of the Year Award in honor of your outstanding leadership, dedication, and support of your teammates. So she was an athlete. Now she's transitioning into a coach this year, Dana Vargas. If she goes back to being an athlete, I know that she's also one of those where, she'll do wonders, right? Okay, our version of Kumse Athlete of the Year. Wow, double award. What? Rookie Athlete of the Year. This, I don't want to say late in the game, but they just started this year. And yet, state champion, Open West champion. Next year, I know, this person will be a national champion. Kyrie, KB. Oh, you need to dance too. You need to dance like you're dancing. 1, 2, 3, go. By the way, Quest will not only be a martial arts school, but we're also going to be teaching dance, okay? Next year. All right, Kumse Athlete of the Year. Sometimes it's very hard to do two disciplines that requires high level of commitment. But somehow this person pulls it off. Ryan Riarte, Kumse Athlete of the Year. All right, Sparring Athlete of the Year in honor of your impressive achievement, consistency in effort, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Basically a role model, right? A person that before, I see his struggles, and I see the time when he was able to, how do you say that? Like harvest his greatness. And I believe that there's more to come. This is just also the start of more. What's the next one? Australia, maybe 2032. We'll see. Let's see. Gerard. Caleb Garcia. What's that? Sparring Athlete of the Year. Also in honor of exceptional performance, leadership, and contribution. So it's basically, also a team captain for the team. You know, I know that, you know, I demand so much from this person too. I myself was a team captain during my time with the national team. And I know how challenging it is not only to, you know, deliver individually for myself, but also carry my whole team with me, right? And that's the task that I've given this person to do. And I'm also very, very, you know, not hard. I don't think hard is a but I have a high expectation from him, and I demand nothing but the best from him. Though I know he's still learning, and it's challenging what I ask for. However, you know, right now I know that he's, you know, he meets and gets my approval. Caleb also, MVP, athlete of the year. All right. So basically, that's it for our award. The ones that were not here, I just wanna, you know, we'll just give this to them when, you know, in time. So basically, that's it. I know there will be more to come. Guys, listen, this is just the start. You guys know already. Most of you have already had a taste of what a competition is. It doesn't get easier. It just gets more challenging. But that's what life is all about, right? We should always be open and welcoming to the challenges. You know the recipe. It's all about hard work, perseverance, and resilience. We don't always get what we want, but we always learn from the experience. And onwards and upwards, right, Team Quest? Good job and congratulations, everybody. No picture? Okay. Toast. Okay. Ninja moves. Okay, okay. Ah, that's the ninja moves. And the best, we should have another award, right? The Best Actress Award. Best Actress, Best Supporting Actress.
Best dancers. Best actress. Best dancers.
Okay, let's go.
Good job, Ella.
Outstanding 77Q Award. Ban in VR games.
I like that one. Man from video.
Ban from virtual reality games. Oh. Ban.
The little ones next to me are the tall.
The master of
Which camera do I look at?
all of them.
Wow. Which camera do I look at?
Sherman Jr., come here, join us. Hey, Zoe, come here. Sherman Jr. Ito si Sherman Jr. Sherman Jr. All right.
Which camera do I look at?
Okay, one more time. Guys, quest on 3. 1, 2, 3. Quest! All right. Okay, we have a singer. Ay, may ano muna. May singer pa tayo ah. Miss Myla will be singing. There's a special song. Tapos na. The Zohan Award. Oo, paano? Puro mga ano yun. Para lang yung kay Isabela ata, pero lahat tagaan yan. Sabi mo.
Give a flip. Pilar? Do you want me to stay? Okay. No, I can stay. I'll hear more.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Thank you for coming. Yes, sir. See you next week. Yes, sir. Have a safe drive back home, okay? Okay. Drive safe, sir, okay?
So I've said this to Matthew Bobby before, and this is something I think we should think about. Once we sign up to say we're going to a competition, non-refundable deposit. Something
Yeah,
like
absolutely.
$50.
Yeah.
And that goes
True.
towards the coaching
True.
fee. Okay, and if they back out
Yeah.
closer to the competition, they're still on the hook for the full fee or part of the fee or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Because like
That's a
Jose and
good
I
idea.
were talking, when I had to back out of regionals, and then when I blew out my ACL, I still went to the competition and I paid my coaching fee.
Yeah.
I think actually, you say that yes, I'm going to the tournament, then you back out. Yeah, I think so.
I think it affects the whole thing.
Yeah, affects the whole thing.
Not without stretching, sir. Not without a warm up. Unless you're him. Show them your. Look at this. Right? One more time. Yeah, he is. Look. No. Yeah. No.
I was already in. I was already committed. And so I mean, he was graduate, like, okay, well, if it's more than they can have,
He's an alien.
or someone pulled out that shit. It's okay to pull it. Because there's a few people who have been really bad about it. And at least when we're done, they're like, oh, the coach is done. Like, well, I'm backing out. Sorry, you do it. The coaching is out. Yeah. We had a few people back out there. And I'm like, that's not but we're fighting it. So, but I think say, okay, you're paying a non-refundable deposit. We're insulated to it a little bit. They back out on stuff. And then I can go buy or Venmo X number of dollars of money to Miss Holly so that she can go buy supplies.
Your host. Probably maybe can like that was so weird. You're kind of happy. Oh, how is it? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, I think bottled water.
Want to drive home?
Okay, sir. Georgie! Georgie! You know how to dance? You know how to do the steps? The what? I don't know. Ask Mr. Danny. Ask her. Get her food.